My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Audi Q3. This vehicle has done 44,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio and media, smartphone integration and navigation, settings, favourites. If we go into car, we can access driver assist, efficiency assist, lights and vision, parking aid and Audi Drive Select. If we press our phone apps, we can access Apple CarPlay, and if we go on to our second page, we can access help, users, messages and legal. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, our drive select button, as well as hill descent control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.